In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Whop membership. If you no longer want to continue a subscription on Whop, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can cancel the correct membership without any confusion. First, head over to the Whop homepage and make sure you're signed into the account that has the membership you want to manage. This is important, especially if you've used more than one account before, because your subscriptions will only appear under the account that originally purchased them. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu where you can access different settings and account options. If you don't immediately see what you need, just take a moment to scan the menu carefully. From there, click on Orders. This section is where Whop shows your purchases, active memberships, and subscription-related details. It's essentially the place you'll go whenever you need to review or manage something you've bought through the platform. When you arrive in the Orders area, check whether you currently have an active subscription. If you do, you should be able to see it listed there. If nothing appears, double-check that you're in the correct account, since that's one of the most common reasons people can't find their membership. Next, select the subscription you want to end. Be careful here if you have more than one active membership, because you want to make sure you're opening the right one before moving forward. Taking an extra second to confirm the subscription name can help prevent canceling the wrong service by mistake. After opening that subscription, click Cancel Membership. That's the option that begins the cancellation process for that specific plan. Depending on what Whop shows on your screen, you may be asked to confirm your choice. So read the prompts carefully and follow them until the cancellation is complete. It's also a good idea to check for in confirmation message after canceling. That way, you'll know the request went through successfully. In some cases, you may still retain access until the end of your current billing period, so don't be surprised if the membership doesn't disappear immediately. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Whop membership quickly and safely through your account settings. If you're following along, just go step by step, make sure you're selecting the correct subscription, and confirm the cancellation before leaving the page.